Wagwan ENT.
It's time for me to welcome again, out of London, England, David Rodigan.
Yes, Firelink, enough respect. You bun a big 15 minutes, and then in the 20 minutes you looked at your watch, and I need to buy a new watch because you only did 20 minutes. You're supposed to do half an hour. You say you're ready for me in the 1 for 1. Well, let's look for that. Because like I said, Firelinks, we burn some fire, but the race is not for the swift, but who can endure. With all due respect, old time people used to say, the older the moon, the brighter it shines.
Addis Ababa International.
So, I'm going down to the fishing village of Rocky Point. And I have a message for you from Cockatee.
Watch it, sound boy. Rodigan come to run things, man. Move over. See it, pull over. Watch this. Now this one is dedicated to all Just Come selector who want come test David Rodigan. Lord.
Sir!
Sound boy, won't you go home to your nana?
Ah!
Go home to your nana, you're too young to be a selector.
Sir!
If you want to be a selector,
Easy licks.
2 years later,
Easy licks.
say, Lord,
Sir!
knows,
Ah!
it's not the time to run competition,
But the time to take a lesson from David Rodigan.
Them coming now we hear I want to test out we sound. To the them run country and a them run town. Idiot sound you a come around Rodigan a sound killer.
Salute!
Sound killer.
Salute!
Sound killer.
Hello! Hello!
See, tell them already we go and kill them again.
Ah!
Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Rodigan a sound killer. Killer.
Your worst nightmare tonight, Violence.
Sound killer. Sound killer. Diggy 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 do na no na no na no na no na no na. Seen who God bless, so that
No man curse.
kill them Rodigan and
Put them in a hearse.
Then you bury them under the earth, them town vampire. Them will suck out the blood, murder, 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 murder.
Rodigan, him a the number one, him a the champion.
No!
Ooh yeah, nah, nah.
Sorry.
Him a the number one,
No, no!
the champion.
No!
Every night he
Nice.
a sound clash,
Oh!
and a Rodigan win that.
Hello!
Every night is a sound clash,
You hear that, Violence?
and another sound get dropped.
Ha, ha, ha,
Every
ha.
night is a sound crash, and another sound get flapped.
Salute!
Watch the people name
Dancing.
while Rodigan
Killing.
all I pull up the
Selector.
selector. Tell you this a musical murder. All I pull up the selector. Tell you this a one play sweeter. Me say if you listen to the
Say, this tune is dedicated to all ganja smokers. Because here in Jamaica, you have the real thing. You want to come to London, England and smoke some bushweed and corn trash rubbish. You want to come to London, England and smoke something that man grew up in his loft. Genetically modified ganja. We want the real thing. 1979. It was his first hit. And I was the first man to cut it on dub. You see, a lot of the dubs I cut, I originate those dubs, and other sounds follow me and cut back those dubs. But remember, when I say I cut a dub first, I mean I cut it first.
Reach on my way up to Marvel.
Hey!
Mama send me out, we go buy some
Hello!
car. I make a mistake, and me go buy
Dolly.
Folly. Mommy jump and go buy. She make $2.
Up on Marvel. What?
On my way up to Caesar Valley. And a Babylon don't know we got the decent Cali. Hey, come a wicked man, I deal with folly. When the dreadlocks in the ghetto, them a shout out
Cali, Cali, Cali.
Cali where we want.
And guess what?
Cali,
Cali,
Cali where we want.
Mountain.
Rodigan can't take the bush herb
Again.
No,
Can't take the bush herb again.
No, street is sensey, sensey. Sweet, 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 sexy me, no. I got the smoke of sexy me, yeah. Burning Sexy mania, burning down the dance.
Pick up the violin crew. So,
Alice Baba International.
easy sick.
Make the best you
Hello.
some boys say it's
Naturally. The hopes.
one thing that some boy need.
A lot of dubplate. For what?
To survive and go through. In this sound clash.
Jump on.
Watch it. We got the stalk of sexy mania.
Running, running.
Dance. Ready, good. Of the stalk of sexy mania. I'm running on the dance. There is a red house over yonder.
Full of marijuana. Used to call it ganja. They used to call it chronic.
Well, David Rodigan.
Well done.
It's a chronic reunion.
Well done.
Silver Cat and Beanie Man.
Silver Cat and Beanie Man.
Sing along.
A cool and lonely, breezy afternoon.
Yo.
Yo, so Babylon surround me outside me, the bonus living and me
Bathroom.
Tell you they gonna tell me.
Stop it.
But them can't stop my money.
Chronic.
We all know the time it's unless coming out of Babylon.
Can't stand it.
So tell me how the fuck is
Stop it.
Radical loaded in the unless coming out of Babylon. Can't take it.
Hey, me so wanna see me go the trace and me a feel
Wait it.
anytime me dig a bit in the sun me put it.
Hey,
Me put it
hey,
it here, me
hey,
take the knife and
hey,
sew it.
hey,
Come back
hey,
like it, me use
hey.
that gate, me chalice. Anytime me load the cutty, matches light it. See a pair me lose the smoke and all poor pass when it. See a pair the smell is smoking me up and vomit. Well, everybody gonna stop play the music, but
So,
We all know how to stop it. But them can't stop my money. Connect.
well done.
Radical loaded in the unless coming out of Babylon. Can't take it.
One more time.
But tell me how the fuck is stop it.
When them can't stop man for money grenade.
Radical loaded in the
Chalice coming out of Babylon, yeah. Silver Cat.
no. I'm gonna play some Bounty Killer now. And I'm gonna play Bounty Killer and Baby Shaman combinations.
Hey yo, Radigan, motherfucking niggas, you know you ain't Mr. Rodigan. Hey yo, one time, if it's war, I mean, hey yo, if it's war, they can't win. I see fools lying down, they say, yellow, deep within, I'm talking to my hand.
Bounty Killer and Baby Shaman.
Hey yo, Mr. Rodigan,
Hey,
he's the godfather. Rodigan, some more than more, them life is a
Party.
lock on the master, lock on the
Party.
master. Tell me the man, your people put me
Party.
it's just like you be fasting.
Party.
Some more than more, them God fit a
Party.
lock on the toss, lock blood
Party.
Tell me the man, your people put me oxen. No right, I'm gonna be fasting.
Yo.
Them so war, them a bring, tell them that's not
Clever.
Things are war them
Forever.
Black and bring, can't miss your
Forever.
Tell them whatever, war them a bring, tell them that's not clever. Things are war them forever. Black and bring, can't miss your never. Yo, hey yo, Radigan, you know that you're on the motherfucking level, the motherfucking niggas should know it, they try to play that. Hey yo, these drums are better. Hey yo, check out the bass.
Bounty Killer and Baby Shaman again.
Hey yo, what time? London. Hey yo.
Yo.
Hey only bell. Hey yo, we're bound to kill you. Some of these are with the train. We you try. Italy. Paris.
Yo.
The God Phil. Hey yo.
Yo.
Again. The God Phil. Everybody come back to them with your originality.
Yo.
So take your basic and love it.
Hey.
It's so good.
So.
Don't make of it. Let it and big of them. Set them love your personality.
Alright.
Go up and now make up your nationality. Love the money but when I'm out the vanity. See some passes out of come with animosity.
Hey.
Yes, I will
Hey.
press up the
Hey.
button and the
Hey.
sanity.
Hey.
Turn up for your pan up and miss up and got it. Cocky the guts of the real and nationality. Yes, I don't tell a rich on the harmony. Some boy figure that what they got them philosophy. Tell the shot of them poor and solidarity. Tell the government free up the weak policy. Do we sound them for the payment when managing? Sit we and them deal with we first time David Rodigan and the crew. We're on another level. Kill another sound boy. Pow.
Pow! I hear you play some Elephant Man. Special request to all Elephant Man fans. Easy filings, hear this.
Radigan, you ready? Them say when planting one dead, you know, ha! That time it shoot, some know the truth, and still go risk them life. Both them rinsing shot in head, and how much them now save my lead. Sound dead tonight, call Radigan, you know, so we must pop off a sound boy strike.
Hey.
Give it to them, David Rodigan, with them track. Joe! When we are kill soul boy, we don't want them to fit up, but if not maybe we don't tell them to just kill these shit old lady. David Rodigan kill the boy then.
Walk on TNT.
How me here a come a sound boy and get hang. How me here a come a sound clash and get hang. How we sound one clash Rodigan game. Show me them when me done the whole. Yes, Tiffany man pass to the mountain. Our jungle is man from Cockburn Bed. TG Dunkirk and you went then. Rodigan a done the whole lot of you ungrateful fucker. Send them a bush come make them cut banana sucker. Left the girl them a go turn man fucker. They want the post Rodigan fit the butter. Chop off him head and throw it in the gutter. Shut him a back, same thing like Junior Tucker. Well tonight, Rodigan love your supper. Left the girls and gone in a man, but Rodigan got them suffer. Think who knows to them? Be a hollow pint, Rodigan tell me fit them. One can done, Rodigan say again. And it a go get weather if you touch the pigeon. Me no one.
About to kill her! To kill her!
Hey yo,
About to kill her!
it's well out right there, shut down, sugar.
Hey!
Well, I Rodigan them employ to kill a son boy. We about it up, you think I play.
Hey, Troy!
Addis Ababa International.
One thing I don't understand is the promotion of bling bling culture. You know why I don't understand it? Because in this country, some people live life so tough and so hard, and yet it's glorified like it's a simple thing. And a man has made a tune about it. His name is Rodney Price, exclusive, Rodigan, brand new, Bounty Killer. Hear this. I think I'll get a life.
Hey yo, yellow, David Rodigan. Heard some of them talk about heist, but them mother had no fridge. Hey yo, yellow, they talk about bling bling, but it's in darkness they live. Hey yo, yellow. One time those motherfuckers don't give about the youth them that is in captive and the youth that ain't active. Hey yo, you know that's the topic I walk with, I talk with, and I start with. Hey yo, yellow, David Rodigan, one time, some boy. They don't know to poor people asses where the crashes. I've seen them and them bastards up in night classes riding asses. Hey yo, yellow, please notice glasses. Rodigan, to bless them and them roll the sun, them bling bling. For the life of the streets, and or me to bling and get up people like look something. Them people say Rodigan and get up cars. Hell up on the house, now what I say. Some of the bitches in the street and them are ringing. Cause everything but when them gain that have them hinting. Rodigan and teaching it to youth them something. Cause don't boy those coming up and not guilty. I've upon the pants them out the road pan all of painting. Now to them research and those all the papa and name thing. I better than this boy when name painting. I'm gonna do them to the toy and do not the same thing. Me know you know the crash and the mash up and all the same thing. You don't come and sing about juggling and blink blink. Tell me if I run a tower hill I run a clink clink.
Run a tower hill, run a clink clink. I'm not gonna fly past my nest. I have time to play one more in this 15-minute sequence. I'm gonna take you back from 1983 up to 1984 and then 1985. December, Christmas 1985. Temperature minus, freezing in New York, in Bronx and Queens and Brooklyn. At the Brooklyn Skating Empire, Rodigan and Barry G, 15 years ago, their first clash, and this was the tune that bust the dance and busted again last night. Rodigan and Barry G reunion took place last night in DC, and this is the tune.
David Rodigan, strong on ya, oh, gonna play forever. Lord no, strong on ya. Hey, you just ring the alarm.
Ticka tack, Rodigan play non-stop. Oh, ticka tack, Roddy play non-stop. Oh. Straight from London to New York City, Rodigan clash with Barry G. They both gonna play some reggae music for we. Let the world feel happy. Oh, let the world feel happy. Lord no, the world feel happy. Oh, they let the world feel happy. Oh, rock them in Brooklyn, in New York City. This is the clash of the century. Rock them Rodigan, trolling down. Oh, oh. Talk of the country, talk of the town. Dubplate play
till the morning.
Talk of the country, talk of the town.
Dubplate play till the morning.
So, ticka tack, Rodigan play non-stop. Oh,
so
ticka tack, Rodigan play non-stop. Lord no, ticka tack, Rodigan play non-stop.
Oh, newsflash. Firelings just indicated to me that he's about to cut my throat. Now, The thing is, Violings, that I hope you do it, because then we can move on. But if you don't get the forward you're expecting, remember you just said you're going to cut my throat, all right, King?
Ready? What you say? Forward what I'm expecting? I'm sure you say me I get the forward. This is Mobile. We no like Batman down here. Me I tell you that. This I got done the place. Key okay. Take out the bass. Take out the bass. I want me do what? Yeah. Let it go. Let me show them. Why lighter them there? We are up in our morning here. We are come. Lighter here, round us up. Lighter round us up from the bottom of the night. We are come. We are come.
Links crew, Links north, Red Bulls, Red Road,
listen from the bottom of the night. We are lighter.
From them a pouring a chicken man car.
Light fire, let's say yes, some boys say them a gallus. I'm gonna kiss them. From the man that climb like 3 to an eye. Jump up lighter, mobile lighter. So you say that
Links crew, Links north, Red Bulls, Red Road, make laws, represent for the law.
Let me show you about 15 minutes. Read it. Mr. Show me some lighter. I don't know kid we have no send a lighter. Come get turn on the lighter. Turn on the lighter. Lighter.
From them a drinking a chichi man bar.
Addis Ababa International.
We are go down there.
Lighter.
So we got to do you see what I say? Because we doing that, no for them afraid. We are them dirty and cognitive. When the bed, no for them afraid. Coming into work. Every chichi man them up to get flat.
Every man spin a blood clot roll now. If the bottom man not, there's a spin a roll. Spin a roll.
Let me tell you more around here. But the man is a man and can't come around here. They don't know say, I want to deal with violence. What's the more deal with? Them know around here, Jefferson. Them know around here. Violence. Let me tell you more around here. But the man is a man and can't come around here. People get them for us like them can't come around here. Pay down the bullet to the bone them up round here. That's only nobody sound like that sound here. Police can't kill us innocent to round here. Can't say them never come find a gun round here. Full of them.
Show me some gun on now. Mobby, a gun on now. Gun on. Gun on. Sigla. Mobby. Mobby. Right again. Lock it up. Lock it up. I'm here to make a selection. Hurry up with me. Right again. Lighter. Bully not turn back. Every man will have pum pum. 2 and 9 years start jump. 2 and 9 years. Jump. The woman them fat punani. I will sound me a play upon Jack Creation. Alright, technician. Fire nigga coming with burn out that crowd. Nobody. Still I walk them over ya. Black woman you free to know. Let nobody road stop. We at the bottom like with the sword. Catching up the bus side and the dirt and road. Yo nigga cut them let them get a piece of wood. Fire is a getting up the man them close. You know but so I say I don't ride the Rodigan, me up here good. Me never trouble you. Come call me here. You see we? What we do? Mr. One and gonna so me make a call a link to the video.
Addis Ababa International.
All who love God, 2 and 9 years. 2 and 9 years to love God. Mobby.
Well, give thanks for the sun, give thanks for the rain, give thanks for the
Mobby.
Give thanks to whoever that has a 8 months to strain. Give thanks to the juvenile when them trying to time. Give thanks to the enemy, them not show the love. And up for them a drunk run up pose like them a dub. Give thanks for the blessing that people made up. Give thanks for the blessing that we sent from above. We say, Father God, we love you, there ain't nobody else. Father God, we Just what it is, nobody else.
Rodigan, me tell you something. You see fire links. When we are kill people at Jamaica, must be a bad man then. Listen how we kill people.
Ready? Ready? It's right. Half of the boat. Pilings drop the anchor. Why them one? Drive out the tanker. When they fill up. One of them woman could not be a wanker.
CMB.
Cash money back.
Beavers. Right up.
And the Monday pussy where them show up with them.
All I send a Batman out there, so 2 and 9. 2 and 9.
This one, violence. Get a Winchester, going on Chester. I to put my mind in a batty boy head. Now we don't promote no batty man.
Lighter here! Lighter! Fire!
Two man up here, go panties up and you don't need a Bobby! Don't come for your come every shot them dead. Them do a one pump, them do a one event.
Bobby!
Is a man and a woman come together. Anyway, back in one figure. Boom! Lips I say boom!
Bobby!
Him and figure boom! Lips I say boom! Boom! You them say boom! What a party in a local boom boom! But him and figure boom! You them say boom! For your fear where we no want no boom! So where you are said the power we know where we are said.
Rodigan, please forgive me, but me I kill you. You're for dead. You're for dead. You're for dead.
This one is
no beer.
Don't select the brainless. Hey yo, yellow, one time. Run that. Hey yo, J-Head, New York. Hey yo, what up? Brooklyn in UK. Hey yo.
All those filings are lead the dance. 2 and 9. 2 and 9. Lighter.
The one that you feel if I am in the puppy out and leave. I'll get out of it.
There's some nameless motherfucking niggas. How can I dare going on in the game list? Hey yo, yellow. This one is stainless. I pop it out and leave. Don't select the brainless. Hey yo, yellow, one time. Run that. Hey yo, J-Head.
I know just how to whisper. I know just how to cry. You know just when to find me.
Violence!
Rock the world. This one is exclusive. Look correctly, the era down the foundation. Rock the world. Look correctly. Violence side. Oh Lord, they cannot find no sound to keep.
Addis Ababa International.
Touchdown!
Big man who run the place right now. Oh, fire links make some boy know say them can't play big tune. Them just a hype up. They know who we are teacher. Original Mr. Aaron Dunkley, step up father.
Murderous sound. Violence sound. Violence may not be. And move the sound. Violence inside.
Pull up! I hear some berry salmon I play. Me I play the baddest berry salmon. Listen up. Listen to berry salmon. Timekeeper. How many times here? Check it up.
Yeah, man. Links is maximum respect.
You have 2 more?
Time.
All right.
There is.
Touchdown. Listen to it. Listen to berry salmon. 5 more. 5 more.
I'd like to tell you a story about
Addis Ababa International.
Fire links can do. Listen. When fire links take the dance floor, people everywhere start balling move. Everyone knows about the dubs.
Pull up. Here I go on. Don't try rob the time. Give me the right time, yeah? What the patron there to play?
Yes, sir.
3 to go then, Rodigan.
The full ones out there saying fire links come for burn down any sound. Seeing because you know so no sound can test the number 1 sound. I'm on John Woods.
No worry yourself, your food there. No worry, your food there. You see it.
Fire links, fire links.
Yeah, Jordan.
Come to rule.
Yeah.
Come to rule. With a poison dart, fire links will kill you in a mystic form. We come to murder you. Fire links will make you wanna cry. You dig a hole and hide. Be careful, be careful. Fire links will murder you like a thief in the night. Kill them, kill them.
Pull up. Yo, I go on now. Me I make everybody sick. Sit here. Yo, what them brother are dealing? Who say you Batman? Hey, cassette man, me see you in a Rasta boy. Me see you. Alright. Yo,
Yo, hold on to my youth. Yo, what not did it? Yo, Mobby, what not did it? Easy, blessed. You see, I like easy. I don't want that in a road work. I like a rasta. Yo. Alright, hear me now. A creation sound in it. Yo, it done in it. Yo, it done. Yeah. Alright, yo. Blessed. Ladies and gentlemen, if something is wrong within the clash, we have to kind of settle it, big respect. And this now comes to, hold on, this now, just everybody, want everybody to feel good vibes, alright? One big up the renegade crew every time, just large up on yourself here. Wanna run the front every time, big up on yourself, don't worry about anything, everything is cool, alright? I want to big respect to the Glendovan Massive scene, Father Lennox, the whole world, just go and big up on yourself. What we're saying now, we're just want to keep the vibes going. Let me see if we can just work out it, alright? You know, sometimes, let me tell you something, a mic man can say something where he never know that himself. So just see it. Father, I know tonight them talk about, you know. Them talk about that to go up a Christian. Saying a cassette youth, one Rasta youth. Saying, me and him have a little difference and the man bring it come together. So I'm show you, the man preach love. But my youth, anyway me see you, me now go do nothing, I love. So I say, well I know and that now stop the clash. So I say, right now the people them pay them money for your music. So I say, to my youth, you see, if me did have something in my heart, me uno come down here. And the love me come show and come down here. So I say, and no matter what, me still a come and Mobby, and me love Mobby people them. So I say, so right now that now stop nothing, brethren. So I say, let's run the tune. So I say, yeah, you don't know. Let's start tune. 3 to go then, Rodigan. Yeah, man, my people will now make that stop nothing.
Yeah, man. Some zinc pan sound boy, I burn the fire and the fire now burn. A Calabash said that when I man forward, I'll crack a plate mash. The same time man come to feature the old veteran, John Holt. Oh, we both. Yeah.
Pull up. I say right now, I have to play a tune for answer I go on a while ago. Because it's the last year I know. God knows star. You hear me? She don't even know star. Big idiot thing, my people, but that's one of them things. Yeah, man, we are blessed the place, man. Because we don't even love what go on. See? All that tune now. Ready?
The Lord's my shepherd, I not want. Lay me down to lie.
Oh, God bless no man curse. Don't know. Mobby, I'm in love with you. Remember me tell him, I now stop coming here.
Although hath restored again, and need to walk the snake within the path of righteousness, even for his name's sake. Yeah, man, a blessing to the man called Firelink, straight from Morgan Heritage Family. Who say, keep it real, yo, pump it. Reggae!
Firelinks are come again.
Ready? You get me mad. What you say? You right? This is you right, Barry Saman. You right, Barry Saman. Listen, Mobby. You think me a play with people on road?
And even anything about the sounds called Firelinks. So big up the people them in Brooklyn, Queens, and in the Bronx. Come in, Daddy Berrish, man.
Sound boy, what you gonna do to stop your pen from dying?
Mobby!
Addis Ababa International.
Listen, Mobby! Listen!
Started you right alongside the man called Baby Someone says, with the entertainment about the sounds called Firelinks, #1 sound in the land. Yeah. Wow!
Listen.
Yeah. Hey, this is your disrespect. You disrespect. Feeling better now. Another sound just yet to know. Because you're playing with fire.
I don't want you right. We're the here for you right. We're the here for you right. Hey, you see after me kill you tonight, if me and you play again, me I kill you again. And me I go kill you and kill you and kill you. You right, tell him what me I go do. You right.
The Fires I kill them one time. The Fires I kill them two times.
Addis Ababa International.
You think you're killing me? Study the cassette. If you think you're killing me, when the sun comes up and you hear the quality and originality of my dubs and tell me you're killing me and you're gonna kill me again, Links, don't go too far, because right now I'm about to lock you off. We are going back 22 years to 18 Drummerley Avenue, King Tubby's studio. Tell me a sound that can play this.
Oh, Rodigan kill them tonight. Oh, Rodigan kill them tonight. Didn't we mash up a sound? Didn't we kill a sound?
Original rhythm. Okay, Firelinks, counteract me.
Wagwan ENT.
Rodigan, me I go salute upon the one day. That was the tune back in the days. The tune they built before my father meet my mother. But me I go play me I play a Barrington Levy in a how a young people style. Listen to Firelinks play a Barrington Levy. Listen to them. Listen to them.
Yeah, this is David Rodigan. Chat about, hey, Father Links, here I am, I said, burn them up. Burn! Fire!
Listen up,
kill
Bobby.
them and done! Mr. Music, kill them. Chat about Barrington Levy, tell them about it. Oh, wow! Wow! Went away to a far land, kill some soul.
Nice try, but you needed to play it on the original rhythm. Don't say no more. Find it now? Find it now? All right, don't worry. Listen, we're bringing back the fun into the dance. We're bringing back the love back into the dance.
Please, let me find it. Let me find it, Rodigan. Jesus Christ. Him say play the original rhythm. Now ramp with Firelinks. Rodigan, Lord God, why you know?
Yeah, this is David.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, Father Links, here I am, burn them up.
Original.
Fire! Kill them and done. Mr. Music, kill them. Chat about Barrington Levy, tell them about it. Oh, wow! No! Went away to a far land.
You did it. I give it to you. You did it. That's a wicked counteraction. Congratulations. Enough respect. Enough respect. But guess what? Oh man, it's just fun. Hey, shh. No. Me and Links are running this, nobody else. Me and Links are running this, nobody else. I asked Links to play it. He played it. All right? So, without further ado, just cool. The voice of Johnny Osborne.
Buenas noches, amigos. Señor, if you come to speak, speak. If you come to shoot, shoot. But if you come to speak, we will shoot. I done with David Rodigan, the original song murderer. Dubplates playing in the ghetto tonight. We're gonna rock it tonight.
Addis Ababa International.
Murderer, Rodigan a murderer. Oh Lord, murderer, Rodigan a sound killer. Oh Lord, and if you catch it Rodigan, you catch it murderer. And when they play a 45, that's a and if they play a LP,
that's a murderer.
And when they play a dubplate,
that's a murderer.
Murderer, Rodigan a murderer.
Oh Lord,
murderer, Rodigan a sound killer. Oh Lord.
All the way from London, England, to the birthplace of reggae music, Jamaica.
Rodigan, I rate the one there. Dubplate played in the ghetto tonight, but I see Saturday I enjoy myself. Mobile, we independent, don't you? All I will spend your own money. We have your night. We have your free up. What I know, me I tell about the bad Johnny Osborne what Jamaica love. See it here? Johnny Osborne!
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to let you know tonight that we would have a big pop to basic for ladies and gentlemen, but we don't have the they can make it tonight. We try to get Bobby Brown, and he can make, ladies and gentlemen, then we try to get Foxy Brown, she can make it, Godfather, James Brown, he said, hit me! And he can make it, we don't know tonight. We have songs like Fire Links, in.
See, Johnny Osborne at Jamaica love ya.
Johnny Osborne, to the band girls. We know the reasons.
Mommy, put your hand here! Put your hand here! Put up your hand!
We're gonna play the play twice. Now I'm craving your body. If it's real,
I'm just gonna counteract that. You've just done it again. You play the dub that belongs to Kilimanjaro. Try and be unique and original, and you'll go far in this business. You see? All right, well, we'll start. But I'm just saying to you, if you copycat sound systems on their big specials, you won't get far. I'm going to play for you, the original singer on the original. Remember, back in the day, they had a thing called Da Da Da. It's Jungle Fresh. There was a tune called Prophecy, and it was on the rhythm you just played. This is Little Roy. Jamaicans, come back to your memory. Tell me your sound.
This one is extra special from the man Liquorai, from the man David Rodigan. No carbon copy.
Listen, Lynx. This is Little Roy original.
Looks like the sun, it doesn't shine for me. Because I'm living, yet I can't be free.
Your creation.
But freedom is a must, I know. No matter how they fuss and go on. Because I read these things in prophecy. It says when the rain stop pouring down and they ain't got no water, they're gonna bow down to the ground, wishing that they were under. And when the stars start falling down and the fire is burning, they will be weeping and gnashing of teeth. Everyone will be mourning. Looks like David Rodigan gonna kill us sound tonight.
If they call a prophecy.
That's the prophecy. In order to remember the prophecy, you have to pray to God. So all who love God Almighty, 2 and a year. Rodigan, you can't tell me sound of me originator style here. I will hear play it. If you ever do play it, I will hear.
You tell them say Fire Links. You understand me I say? Top man boy, hey yo, sound boy, run
all of God, 2 and a year.
So we tell them say, you hear me? You start trouble, you with dead. You see it? Now dead, you're dead, man.
Rodigan!
Hey, sound boy, when you start trouble.
Rodigan! Rodigan!
Now dead, you're dead, man. Hold on, yeah.
What?
Sound boy, when you start trouble.
All of the tune, we have your night here. Show me some lighter. Lighter, be the man to line that cloud. To line that cloud. If you love the tune, we have your we have
the #1 sound called Fire Links. Louder by the eye. When you start trouble, don't cry. Oh no, no.
What one?
Just remember, hey, one sound is there.
All who love God now, 2 and a year. 2 and a year.
Just remember,
2 and a year.
Fire Links is standing.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you just called the Savior's name on Easter Sunday. God is standing by. It said Fire Links is standing by. Let me just say something. There are certain dubs I will not cut. Certain songs are so powerful and so spiritual that to translate them into a dub is a joke. With all due respect, George Nooks, apparently, so I heard in England, dedicated that to his mother, I do believe, who he had lost. Imagine he takes something so special and he turns it into a song about killing a sound guy. That's what I call a joke dub. That's my opinion, and I'm entitled to it. Now, we talked about Kilimanjaro. We talked about you copycatting reasons. I'm going to play for you the DJ who used to DJ for Kilimanjaro when Ainsley was the selector.
Well, it's some little guy come talk when I'm front teeth, gold teeth, side teeth, column teeth, piper and castle and then Rodigan will kill on if a boy was sitting out about 20 on our farm.
A super cat this!
We them want to ram it up. I Mr. Rodigan, them want to rip it up. The blank card style and them a pick it up. I'm in a London town where them touch it up. Mr. Rodigan on the place and them a brush it up. I'm Mr. Rodigan on the place and figure.
Violence is standing by, I don't think so.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. We all MC Rodigan a dan-da-da. No boy no go test a Mr. Rodigan. Fall off of the angel come upon him with the eagle spreader. A boy try something then we a go turn it over. You sleep on wire, we sleep in fire. I tell you Rodigan him put the place a fire. Fire. Them want to ram it up. Come on the doggone style and them a touch it up. I'm Mr. Rodigan style and them a pick it up. But dan-da-da-dan-da-dan-da-da-dan-da-da-dan-da-da. We all MC Mr. Rodigan da-da. Come on come make me hear it from the youth that can't tire. The one them in a jungle man over.
Rodigan, who that's a player? Super Cat. May I show you wicked fire links is. How much life him have? 9. Him brother have 9 too. Watch a tuna. Juna Cat. Tell Rodigan so.
Hey yo! You know we don't come here to beg our bow, we don't come here to pamper, you know, we come here to conquer. Well, you see, look a boy, run up them out from where they and tell man, go man, we go find new tune and the boy, sell more than balloon, you know. Brother, I never get no authority to play them Super Cat, the bumbo, well, even though dapper down his back and kicking out teeth and kicking out felt.
Hold on! Yeah, listen, Jack.
Well, you see, look a boy, run up them out from where they and tell man, go man, we go find new tune and the boy, knows them tune we have to sell more than balloon, you know. Brother, I never get no authority to play them Super Cat, the bumbo, well, even though dapper down his back and kicking out teeth and kicking out felt and damn glass and furnace again. Play Bible King, and I'm all I bring. Rodigan! Bumbo all I dead, you are go dead. Sing up with fire links and shots and up.
Alice Ababa International.
No. You know, if I think it's good, I'm going to tell you. But that can't work. You're counteracting the Don Dada Super Cat with his brother, Junior Cat, and telling me I don't have the authority to play Super Cat. I'm going to play a Super Cat that no sound in the world can play. It was this that put Ricky Trooper in his grave in '97 in New York. I'm taking you back to Sunday nights in Vineyard Town. I'm taking you back to Sunday nights in Raytown. This is the history of Jamaica, and only Rodigan can play it. And don't tell me my name isn't called in it, because I will bloody well play it for you if you say it. It is.
No quest to all yard of soul tights. No goes.
Well, a second Super Cat for your Junior Cat.
Jamaica.
Whoa!
Jamaica. Bang bada ding ding.
Jamaica.
Galang, yes, Jamaica is a land full of hot men. Land of golden sunshine, and me say hold down.
Water.
The famous Blue Mountain.
And the Great Duns River.
Jamaica surrounded by Caribbean
water.
Our walk Indian was the originator. The Spaniard, the English, and enough more follow. Mr. Christopher Columbus was a great founder.
Pull up! A man said, pull up, Roddy. If you're happy and you love it, say, go on, Roddy. Jesus.
No quest to all yard of the soul tights.
Links.
No goes. The Apache keep it on your toes.
All you man.
Easy.
The history of Jamaica in 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
Jamaica. Jamaica, galang galang, Jamaica, Jamaica,
Hello.
ding ding, Jamaica, Jamaica,
Hello.
galang galang, yes, Jamaica is a land we full of
Adventure.
land of golden sunshine, I may say,
With the water.
the famous Blue Mountain
And the Great Guns River.
Jamaica surrounded by Caribbean water. Our walk Indian was the originator. The Spaniard, the English, and enough more fella.
Time is running and passing.
Well, Rodigan, the super cat the bad, but you can't tell me nothing. The junior cat, the kick the super cat. You could have ball blood. Alright, you play foundation artist. We're going to play a foundation artist. Listen.
This one to run you at. Boom shot. Original.
Well, I know. For my friend them down there, so. When you're there somewhere, if a man have a gun, you now look for the closest thing where you can find. So the man fire a scud missile and me see a stone. Me not take it up and fling it off him so it can't scare him. What me better? So me just play a junior cat. Yes, what me I say? So it's all good. One Ranger. Yeah, Junior.
Run it, make me done it. Move it, y'all. Original veteran pan him case. Man call Lone Ranger ain't no stranger. Azula, Azula, right. Azula, Azula, Ata sound of fire links. Original veteran pan him case. Run it, make me done it. Move it, y'all. Original veteran pan him case. Man call Lone Ranger ain't no stranger. Azula, Azula, bang, right. Azula, Azula, Ata sound of fire links. Ata sound of fire links.
Rodigan.
Lover that I love a love bump. You're not giving a love bump, no blood clot. You play love tune on me. No man. Lover icky bum bum bum. Oh Jesus. Turn that into a dub plate. Let me show you. Links. Let me show you how to play dub plate that kill sound. 1983. You think Kilimanjaro is the only sound to have this? I'm playing this out of King Tubby's. Before I ever heard Kilimanjaro playing it. I'm not saying I cut it first, but I cut it with Horace Andy. The engineer was King Tubby. The year was 1983 into 1984. I have a special message for you, Fire Links. Moving!
You trying to conquer Papa Rodigan. You never will conquer.
International.
Rodigan, we not try. Well, no. Let me tell you something. All right, what you say? Well, no. Listen, Tuna. You tune your answer now. What I'm saying, me I try to conquer Rodigan. Let me tell you something, Rodigan. You make a speech a while ago say, me play love tune pan you. The tune say, atta fire come for burn. And a burn we a burn down Babylon system. Listen to Shona.
Royal Links. Them not
Listen
the big tune them for the McGregor.
Listen to Shona.
Run the rhythm track, my selector. I could deal with them case and deal with it now. Cause some boy, you have to try hard. Now it's for soundboy bad to make him try. Soundboy, we beg you not to play Fire Links tonight.
Pull up! You pull up? You just played Freddie McGregor. I am going to play for you another dub that no sound in the world can play. This is Freddie McGregor and Horace Andy. If you know about music and you come from Jamaica, this tune needs no introduction. From the top to the very last drop, hear this. Hear this. Special request.
Forward and Payaka, Manakul, and then go Saka. Sound boy, drink some ice water. Rodigan, then forget slaughter. Bust it up, my lad. Freddie McGregor, Horace Andy, a big tune.
Oh! Salute! Salute! Horace Andy!
What was
that train.
Stop that train. Roddy wants to get.
Don't get vexed. It says, stop that train. Roddy wants to get on. He just killed the drum pan sound.
Rodigan, if not alright, if a man in a server train, you're not alright. All I man, no man can ride a train. 219 year. No train not there for your ride pan. No. No stop no train. You see a jaw card, me jaw back a card. You can't ball. Hold on! See biggest DJ tune for night. I remember one DJ named Errol Scarcher. Do a tune name. Me nah left me be gone. The roach in the corner. Bim! Kill him! Listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that. Listen to that.
Fire links. Scarcher come for take case and worship. Alright. Links, kill him! Links, kill him! Me say we not let the dance on. Yo, no run with fire links. Yo, no joke with fire links. We not let the dance on.
Pull up! Pull up!
I've just been told we have time to play 2 more. And then it's decision time. So, without further ado, I'm going to play for you the lady who in 1970 was regarded around the world as the queen of reggae. When she voiced those tunes on the rooftop studio at Treasure Isle, she run Jamaica hot. No sound can play this Phyllis Dillon. Ready? Jamaicans, come back to your memory. This is Phyllis Dillon.
Win or lose, it's Roddy's game to play. Right or wrong, he'll play his way. And if he makes mistakes,
pull up. Pull up. Listen.
Himself alone. Roddy only has one life to live.
Whoa!
He only has one sound to kill. No matter what you do, he'll murder you in the dance tonight. Oh yeah, and send you home.
I'm sending you back to town.
Rodigan, I want Jamaica. And I hit me a defend. Young love one life to live, me go take it. George Nooks, me go take it. Listen to him. Listen to him, Mobile. Listen to him. Listen now.
Give it to them, man. Run the track. Fire links been killing sound boy. Come the longest time. Fire links been killing sound boy. If a sound want
Addis Ababa International.
A nice try. But let me politely remind you that George Nooks did not voice the original version of Tribal War. It was voiced by Little Roy. If you're gonna play Tribal War on a special, play it by Little Roy. Shh. No. Links. History is history and fact is fact. Voiced in Jamaica, Little Roy wrote and recorded the first version of Tribal War. That's all I'm saying. This is my last tune. You just played a George Nooks. I'm going to play for you Jamaica's first superstar. In 1964 and 1965, when he flew to England and appeared on the television on Ready, Steady, Go. When he toured the UK, thousands of people turned out to listen to the voice of the people. There is no sound that can play this dub. It's my last dub. This is the voice of Prince Buster.
This is Prince Buster, the voice of the people. Pick him up, you lick him down, you bounce right back. The guns are hard, man, to dead. You pick him up, you lick him down, you bounce right back. Rod is a hard man today. Them say the cat got a 9 life, but this man got 99 life. Cause them pick him up, them lick him down, him bounce right back. What the heck? Them wild, one pot of chocolate tea, and all the fried fish they caught in the sea. They also got 6 quarter rum, saying that they're waiting for the 9 life to come. The last time I heard them say that this man was dead, them biting back the ice and they lay all up on his head. Now the procession leads to the cemetery. Rodigan holla out, you can't bury me. You pick him up, you lick him down, him bounce right back. Rod is a
hard man football. Rodigan, big tune. But you see a tune I'm going to play. For telling the truth, I don't think you can find an artist. To show you how brave me is an attack. Well, I know, you see a tune here? May I show you how Firelink's powerful now. Listen, you know, that youth here is just 2 years old, not even 2 years yet. 1.5 years old. And you hear the size of tune them want me to play. Listen who me I go play now. Rodigan, it not take chicken to play 1-for-1 with you till the end and I play a big tune. Who that you play? Prince Buster. Me say me never think you can find an artist. You know who this me I go play? Burning Spear. Burning Spear. Grammy artist. Listen to them up here. Listen up here.
To be a pleasure to be here. I say, Jah Rastafari, Emperor Haile Selassie, Father Burning Spear in the house, with them same name, Firelink Town. Blessed Burning Spear.
God shall not enter this arena.
Firelink Town.
He's the son of the
be here.
Well on, Rodigan, talk so you rate a tune ya. Because you boom off my face.
No man, a big tune. You think I would disrespect? That's a big tune, enough respect. What's wrong with you?
Rate your father. And that's why them send me a selector for the year of Jamaica. Because I don't go think for my young friend them alone. I think for big people. Listen it back again. Burning Spear.
To be a pleasure to be here.
Say, and I say, Jah Rastafari, Emperor Haile.
When the money are give you not choose none, you take anything in you.
With them same name, Firelink Town.
Big artist.
Blessed, Burning Spear.
Listen to it. It has one more forward tonight. Listen to it.
God shall not enter this arena.
Firelink, I don't challenge now.
He's the son of the drummer's rock.
With his dubplate dipped in blood. All I know is
Firelink, I roll. Firelink,
I go roll.
Listen, part I tune me like now.
Let it roll, must roll. Roll.
Sound boy, Eddie Cameron. Sound boy, Eddie Cameron.
Mobile. I that me I say all 1-for-1 for done already. Rodigan, me have one heap of tune on touch it, you know. No, me I say the people them want more tune. No, MC, more tune, man. Mobile, more tune, no. More tune.
Okay. We did want more tune, but this has come to the... Hold on. The only way, hold it. They're in the final part of it now, you know. They're in for dub. Yeah, it's it. We just short the program to put it like that. But the dub for dub now, you say you want 5 more minutes of it. That's okay. That means each, You want you? Yeah, you play another 5 tune. Final decision. Final decision. Who's the 4 tune? 5 tune, a selector, a sound. They are both sounds and selectors. 5 tune for Firelinks, 5 tune for Rodigan, and that's it. We have get the score from the judges already, just need to announce, but we're going to give them 5 more tune a piece. Then you tell us, okay? Thank you very much, Rodigan. Yeah, man. Yeah. All right, we could, hey, yo, tune for tune, carry on, no problem. Tune for tune is carrying on. All right. All right. All right. 1973, the Heptones.
Ain't we gonna kill a song boy?
Heptones.
Ain't we gonna kill a song boy? It is not strange, already gonna kill a sound boy.
Addis Ababa International.
It goes on sync and sound to pack up and around.
All right, Firelinks, come in. I got 4 left.
Hold on there, David. I'm going to show you how we kill people at Jamaica. I'm going to tell you how we kill people at Jamaica.
Who's that? See it, you know, yeah. Junior Kelly say, hey, Firelinks, yeah. Enough niceness, yeah, man. Run it, car. We come to kill them, you know.
Boy, tell them, Firelinks, yo. Just let that door, you come in. Yes, I wear that down, you come split them. Firelinks, yo. We kill a jump on anywhere. Back push her in a the square. Selectors on the run.
Say love, see it, you know, yeah. Junior Kelly say, hey, Firelinks, yeah. Enough niceness, yeah, man. Run it, car. We come to kill them, you know. Now waste not like the time, you know.
Boy, tell them, Firelinks, yo. Just let you come eat them. Yes, I wear that dubplate, you go and split them. Firelinks, yo. We kill a jump on anywhere. Back push on in the square. Selectors on the run. Now tell me this.
Addis Ababa International.
Easy, Firelinks. Well, I'm delighted to know that you pleased the people that came with you in your van. Well done. Big up all the Firelinks crew. Enough respect. We have 4 more to play. This is Barry Salmon.
Yes, massive. And one of them know said David Rodigan, our original selector for years, you know. I just remind them, you know. Now Barry Salmon, they have to seal it up. Now come cross berries.
Just for Rodigan, the bust the dance. Yeah, man. You have to play a sweet, yo. For real, man.
You just
pull up the vibes that you're playing. Can you play some more? Can you play some more? Lift it up, jack it up, pull it up, come again now. Can you play some more? Can you play some more?
Hey, Firelinks crew. When I play a good tune, I want you to back me, you know. No.
Yes, David. Hold on. Father Rodigan, you're my pooper. But let me tell you something. Rodigan. You see, Mobby, them love vibes. You have to know if you boss a crowd. You have your supporters, them out there, you know. See there? Rodigan crew, this out. Big one up. Me love you, know. See, respect. But Firelinks have him supporters, them too. So we are going to lock down either now. Barry Salmon!
Yeah. Tell me now.
Boy, you never will understand this. The way the dance all run. There is no hope, no chance, no hope, no escape for reading it. Cause every time you lift your head above water and try to save yourself from drown, Firelinks with a whole heap of fire. And so I know you're gonna get burned. Sound boy, you're putting up a resistance.
Addis Ababa International.
Big tune. I'm going to put up some resistance against you now. I'm going to take you back to 1993. I'm going to take you back to Riverton City. to Seaview Gardens. I'm gonna put up some resistance. Rodney Price.
None of mercy. Yeah, if a war you know I make it start. If somebody not dead for me gonna pop up. What the kill we know they have to talk. In a mill, if a war you know I make it start. If somebody not dead for me
gonna pop up.
Wagwan ENT.